Okay, so I'm doing a Christmas tree challenge using Dollar Tree supplies. And this is what I picked up from Dollar Tree yesterday. We have a snowflake, we have reindeer, icicles, we have picks, snowflakes, ribbon, balls with this cute little sign, these little snowflakes that are attached. There's 3 of them. We have little faux snow, this little bird. So here's what we're working with. Okay, so we're going to start with these Dollar Tree plastic clear balls. This project. And we're going to stuff it with this garland. But we don't want these little guys on there, so we're going to pull these off. And then we just have this. And we're going to cut little strips, little pieces. And then we're going to take them and they have a wire in them, so just curl them around and they stay and make these little poofy balls that fills the plastic ball better. So we'll just curl these around. I took this piece like this. It actually has 5, and then I cut one of the strips off to layer on top. Okay, so next we're going to change up the reindeer. So we have the little reindeer ornaments. We have this microfiber cloth that I just cut into strips. tacky glue, glitter, and ribbon. Okay, so first we're going to start with the deer. We're going to pull this piece off. Take the tags off. Okay, so then we're just going to start with him. And I'm going to take a piece of the microfiber cloth and just glue it. Just glue it over on itself to make it smaller. It also makes it thicker. Okay, and we're going to wrap this around his neck. And next we're going to take glue all over my hands. We're going to take the shiny one for the deer instead of the other one. The other one was more of like a ball, like a little bead that we used for the plastic balls, but this one is like a diamond kind of pattern. And I just, again, just cut it in however many strips I needed. So let me see what 2 looks like around it. I like 2. Yeah. 2 looks good. We'll go with 2. So just measure that around and cut. Just glue that on. And I got glue on that. I'll have to get that off. But then just give him a collar. Okay, and then next I'm gonna glue, add glue to his antlers. And then we're gonna glitter him. Let's go ahead and glitter these up. Okay, and we're also going to put a little glitter on his feet. Here's what we have so far. Glittery antlers and glittery feet. And I'm trying to decide if I want to put a little snowflake on him right here. So I'm going to test that out and see how that looks. So I think he looks kind of pretty just like that. Before and after. Okay, next we have the trees, these cute little white trees. It comes with 2 of them. So you get 2 for $1. And then I'm taking this little diamond-y strip and cutting little ones off and then just hot gluing them to the trees to give them some sparkle. So that's all I'm doing with these. I'm just doing like a dab of glue. Let's do one right here. And then taking these tiny little ones that I cut, laying them up there. Trying to do it and hold the camera. And then just gluing them on like that. Super simple, but it just adds a little shimmer to them. And I may make one of the stars like I did, like the snowflakes like I did for the deer, and make one for the top of the tree. Okay, so here's the before. Here's the after. I just added some little jewels to it. And made it a little more sparkly. I think it turned out so pretty. Look at the little bird. And every single thing came from Dollar Tree. And the black Christmas, except the tree. The tree was from Walmart. It was my Halloween tree, which I can link that. And then the feather boas also came from Dollar Tree, but it was used on my Halloween tree and I just left it on there. But I love how it turned out. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.